So our next lesson is creating what they call button sheets. You can see right here on my screen, this is what they call button sheet. So how you can create a professional button sheet with dynamic functionality. You see right here, you can see an item here is upload file, repayment, service application, send fund, bill payment, my wallet. Okay, so I will show you how to create this kind of functionality in your application. It can be a web app, it can be a website, any kind of application. You'll be able to do it after you finish learning this course. After you finish taking this course, you'll be able to do it. So that's why I'm showing you step by step what we are going to be teaching you, what you are going to be learning, what you are going to achieve in this course. And mind you, like I said earlier, it's free of charge. You are not paying anything. It's 100% free. All you need is to just subscribe to the channel, drop your comment, like it, and share it so that other people will have access to the video as well. So this button sheet has a dynamic navigation functionality also. So I could also teach you how to implement this kind of button sheet dynamic navigation. Okay,